Habasun who umbra De3 3retwa Guo is no the Premtobre president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. My question is De3 Guo or Adom socials no dozana ye bezinkani akwa Ghana Port and Harbors authority for 1 year Ghana Immigration Service for one won't you call do hono wombra kwa na wopeda was search one my question to call do office hono.
Stop. You want that you come to the port and come and behave. We are invited. Listen what I said. You guys will pray. We even talk to you not there.
To know Ghana Port and Harbors Authority and Ghana Immigration Service who won't you call do or and call the walk share one home pon we no not won't you know what to office occur not ma minja wadrin chwe and father mean same your call do you home real coffee perfect okay Rupert coffee perfect this and you know say a country called Ghana or say Krobi in our friend Ghana yana JP Clement was say it's gonna becoming also okay. I say I work here this is here no Chrome had no yeah lawless it will Chrome had the the umbra in Chrome had the obibini 2 success was obviously no what's the point was abazina port off no was receive pontia immigration for no work honum da work search one one pede wo ba mo hon kwan po no wo tum da wo tum na wa search wo ho so no oyo to the bia was nipa po wo tum was one vessel no mo Ghana had a ma free Honman share Guinness World Records or 1 year old Ace Liam Wetumna was set a record as the youngest Otum Odro Uwiasa Fendina my share.
It's been 5 months since we have submitted our evidence to Guinness World Record on Ace Liam's attempt to break the Guinness World Record as the youngest male artist. It's been months of anxiety and prayers. On Monday, 13th May 2024, we have received an email from the Guinness World Record, and we are overjoyed to announce that Ace Liam, at just 1 year and 152 days old, has been officially confirmed by Guinness World Record as the current holder, as the youngest male artist in the world.
You know, Starboy and our Otna na mame and under them no congratulations Kasee on Komano Ace Liam 1 year old youngest Otumna Odro ma minje wadwenche Sabia no say congrats baby boy the new AGA amana papa Otumna the colors your kabum no nansa of fanda ma why and pepe 1 year pe in a wazy everything baby world one or say Ghana to the whole we are saying to Chima Ghana yoko ye papa na SL Anderson no say Zaya for no real record no only to congratulations but step on the little man ma ye free hono man yenko show 2 for 25 year celebration or oracle do o wasante me mo yaza yezi enyo 2 for hunda kwema desa wo ba job na sin nyina na we twetwe woni tira o ye ba be so wo krom hono ne tum hunda wa cash out papa scanner we nya bi ma yenko show yaza oracle do o hono mo so
ye bidie eno ode kam so they come we are fin and so me baby. I'm some busy and it's more money come fefe. Why and near this summer it's in any AF. Who is some I want someone and be more. No tishan share why and then money passa. Yes, ye now come a week my hima. Nana more for my hima. Nana denya se my hima. Nana man some quanta my hima. Me pacha for her dear young kwa.
Ona ehweche de oyaza honoma wotwa iti wasante memu no oyaza wa cash out ye papa post na kwema des no we twa honiti ye mamenje wadwenkyere mfada mi nsemi ho na dia coffee no say you know oye interesting papa oye na homka ye low trapper or say cash out alone was the cash out alone no tumu de wenye ska ba be so okrom honom no wenye ska ye papa solutions hub gh or say umpono black e beautiful as all you tuntum biara no oye feel ye ma yen free hono me na American nyum to ni Stevie Wonder me o kase sisiara no oye Ghana nyi mapa ye no oya zo chem dey ye bibufu o se dey tum na ye kan ye hu bom ma yente za okay.
My goal is to bring people together. In a time where there's division all over the world, I'm believing that the call is for us all to come together, to give voice to the voiceless, to give peace in those places where there is war, where children are dying, where mothers and children are starving to death.
Anani Stevie Wonder Ghana nyum to ni Stevie Wonder and I yet nka wono chirima yenka yehumbom na yeka yehumbom abibiara botum na waye ya mama menje wadwen kire amfa de nsemi a okodo oye wiki mu Professor Hay o say oyaza ono hunde mpono abrochimem honom no bebre wo peda wo ba na obaye Ghana fo na na mpono oye no papa nti no se yehwe asomdwe no onye the family system aye okrom hade na or ye bibi kama papa pantino ye momoze na ye push ni ge Emmanuel Kenneth good no say ono opedo omma no akwa abasonko na onhunu dey krom hade na wabetina aziza oye asomdwe enije na onye kanko biara no obaye neza ntino Emmanuel no za madwinche yoze be Jerry Tete o say sisiaro no yan so Ghana fo ye botum na ye boast papa dey ye wo Grammy winner a ofiri krom hade ntino oda oye president na Adom Akufo-Addo ase da wetum na wa mahen Grammy winner kwar na follow his social media handles no na enye nizi insaldo murukwe men store do cry fiaman kwata ma closing some ke no bosodo